This is a love reading for you, Cancer, for the month of June to July. For June to July. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your partner and then see how's the guidance. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Cancer, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, there is something going on in terms of not being able to communicate with each other, and looks like Cancer, you have told your partner that let me have some time off, or you go on a break, because this is an energy where a person has been kicked away emotionally. So you may have been the one who just told your partner to go away for some time, or give them a space, or that you want a space. So this is your guidance, Cancer. Also, I see you as a person who will wait, or is very patient, will exercise a lot of patience when in love or when you want something. And your partner may be fairly a young energy, and you may feel very interfering or intruded upon emotionally when your partner is complaining or is asking you too many questions. And to the partner, I would just like to say that it is just how the Cancer is, that they don't like so many questions or being intruded upon, and emotionally they don't like to be affected. So if you do the too much of drama, you may just get kicked away or pushed away by your partner or by Cancer. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? In the strength and challenges, I'm seeing is one of your strengths is you don't tell lies, Cancer, or even if you try to tell lies, your partner is able to catch you. So one, you don't have the street smartness in you, and whenever you try to cover up your tracks with something, your partner does happen to catch you. He or she is very sharp. About the strength and challenges, you see in the both the cards, I'm seeing your back here, partner. It's like you're either not available, or you've been taking an off, or you've been told to go away. So in your strength and challenges, I see a challenge where you're not so much into the relationship. It's also because Cancer's back is to you. So the two of you are taking time off, and you are investing all your time in career or thinking about the work and what needs to be done more. So you have taken this very well, this pushing away in the relationship, you have taken it very well, and you're getting busy with work or career. So how do you see your partner, Cancer, and how does your partner see you? You're seeing your partner as someone who is on a journey of healing. It's quite possible that you helped your partner out in a certain emotional downfall, or a lag, or a emotional downtime, and you are letting your partner heal. You're telling your partner to take some treatment, or go on a holiday, be alone, try to rejuvenate yourself. So this fight may not have necessarily between you, Cancer, you and your partner. This fight could have been your partner with X. So you are just giving them time, that you heal, take your time, and then we get back together. Because I see here is that you've left your partner alone for some time, just so that the healing happens, your partner is able to recover from all the pain and sadness. Your partner sees you, Cancer, as someone who's very sharp minded and a very nice person. See, king and queens in tarot are all very nice, good people. So your partner sees you as very nice person, Cancer, and that you have brilliant communication. And nothing puts you down, and you're able to deal with any situation very well. So you may be very successful also, because that's how your partner sees you. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? About the future, you are very convinced that this is the person to be with, Cancer, because you see your partner as someone with whom you want to set up a good happy house. and you feel very welcomed, and you feel their family is very receptive to you. So you're very positive and convinced about the future with this partner. Your partner, on the other hand, is someone who's thinking that this is a new relationship. You both need to go slow and then see how it progresses. So he or she is not yet ready in their mind about the long term commitment. You are very sold out. You are very, very convinced that this is the relationship which is going to work out. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you've spent a lot of time being confused between love interest. It's quite possible you had more than one admirer, and you really don't know which way to take it forward, to whom to take it forward. So you have been in a state of confusion in the past. Your partner is actually very, very emotionally bonding, loving, and is very affectionate. I'm just amazed to see this angel when the card is here is like this. So it's quite possible that while your partner is extending so much love, he or she doesn't get as much back. So very beautiful, deep, emotional, ocean-like energy that your partner has, and is the past it's coming from. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? One, it is this guidance is telling you that both of you should continue working towards this relationship, and there are going to be challenges as in how the day progresses. So you both should be very ready to take it head on and be very practical in this relationship. So this is how the guidance is, Cancer, for you and your love interest.